Hello YouTube, this is Jay. As you can see here, we're doing a different style of video. So I just kind of want to go over my thoughts. To get it out of the way, I blew my trading account, my Topstep and Combine account, and I just kind of want to go over um, what went wrong and how I'm going to be fixing that in the future. So I figured, you know, I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. So I'm going to switch over Facecam to trading platform. So yeah, we'll talk about it over there. So see you in a minute. All right, so we're over here on my trading combine. Let me show you my performance real quick. As you can see here, minus $221 profit, 47.37% win rate. I averaged about 1.04 win loss. Profit factor 0.94. Monday, I was up almost 900. I think that was Friday. Friday, I was up 2,000. That was a Saturday. Um, should have been a Sunday, and this was like Monday, Sunday into Monday. As you can see here, I lost $2,000. So yeah. Um, here's all my other statistics if you want to just take a look at that real quick. Um, big short this time around. So yeah, 3 trades on Thursday, 9 trades on Friday, and then there it is. My the thing that absolutely destroyed me. Plus 600. I was up positive too. So one of the reasons that I definitely lost was I was trying to pass my combine on Sunday during Asian market hours, and I will talk more about that in the future, but that's something I'm definitely not doing ever again. Um, but I took a long, expecting the market to bounce. It did. I took another long, failed, another long, failed, short, short, short. That was the one that really blew my account right there. Moved my stop loss, revenge trading, and then a short to finish out my account. So let me go to the actual trading now. I have to scroll all the way to freaking where it was. Okay, well, at least it wasn't too bad. Alright, so let me talk about the winning trade first. As you can see here, big gap down uh, from futures open. I was expecting a bounce because it didn't break this low here. As you can see, we started making higher high. So I was expecting a little bit more push. A great entry would have been here. Um, came down to the last resistance level, or last support, started showing bounce. Probably should have bought in here, but there was also another buying opportunity here. Came down, touched support, and came back up. So I entered right around here at 64. If I would have just held on just a little bit longer, I got out at 79.45. If I would have held on just a little bit more, I would have been able to get out profit for my combine, but that didn't happen, and so I was starting to rage tilt, um, or kind of boredom trade over here. Took another long, came down to support again, expecting it to bounce higher, get up here. So I entered, what was that? One at one at 83. Yeah, one at 83, right about here. Didn't happen. Got knocked out at 60. Then I entered another one at 82. Got knocked out at 68. And then it was all down here from here. It was all downhill from here. Um, shorted one at 510. Got stopped at 53. Shorted one again at 87, got filled at 19, shorted another one at 64, all the way down here, got absolutely destroyed at 508. Just awful trading, and this was the one that just knocked me out. I got filled at 40, got hit at 46, so yeah, not my greatest performance. Um, before we go back to the face cam, I want to show you my practice account. This is more of like the future. Here's my practice account. I already spent the $49 for the month, so I figured I'd get my money's worth out of it. As you can see here, it's a 15,000 account. I made almost 8K. I have a 62% win rate. I made $1,000, lost 400. Winning daily win, 50%. I've made $10,500, lost about 2,800. And yeah, here's my stats if you're interested in that. Um, Took 6 trades. A lot of them were just lucky winners, just trying to get used to trading this kind of big size. It was today. Took a short, lost. Um, Took another short, got a little profit. I think it was a break even where I moved my stop to a little bit below break even, so I got a little bit of money. Took another short, lost. Took another short, lost. Went long, lost. Went long again, lost. And then this setup right here, though, on my practice account is a beautiful setup, and I should be taking more of these. And I can tell you exactly why I took this. So, here. I was on a short right around here. So I had one short, um, but it did a high to low. Came up to the last level of resistance, showed fast selling pressure, as you can see here. So I took one here when it broke this candle. I added another one, so I was at 2 at this point. I added another one all the way down here, so I was at 3. And then as I saw more red candles down here, I was like, all right, fuck it. I'll just add another one. So I was at 4 here, and then it just kept going down. I got 2 out at the 51, so right here. Took another one out at 13, pretty much near the low of this candle. And then I was just kind of trailing at this point. I kept it above break even, so I was in profit no matter what for my runner. And then I just kind of kept moving it down to the close of the candle, and then it finally broke here. I had it a little bit up, so yeah, then it got stopped out here. So that's kind of what I've been doing, just been practicing. So yeah, let me switch back over to Facecam, and we'll just kind of talk about the future and what I have in store. So one moment. So what do I have in store? What is my future plans? I just want to preface this by saying that day trading is something that I want to do. It is my passion. It's what I want to do. I will do it, and so that's all there is to it. Just a minor setback. I'm going to continue practice trading with my 150K account. I might sell some stuff so I can get a little bit of money, try again. Um, might not be the smartest idea. I currently don't have a job and I have no income due to some circumstances. That's all I really want to share. So definitely not the smartest idea, but again, I'm determined. Um, Things that I'll do in the future. No more trading the Asian session. I can't do it. It's just not for me. Definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. And well, that's what I was doing. I kept trading. I'm not good at the Asian market, so luckily I found out that there's this awesome feature at Topstep where you can just session lock out. So I will always be session locking myself out of the Asian market. Second step, I didn't really have a liquidate and block daily loss, so I could lose $2,000 like I did there, which kind of screwed me over when I was revenge trading. I mean, that's how I lost my account. I was just kept going and going. I should have just stopped, forced to liquidate myself, and then just kind of just take a chill pill. But I didn't. So I will be doing a liquidation position where it will liquidate and block me for the rest of the day if I lose maybe like $500 or $600. So I will never lose my account in one day. So that's my future plans. Again, I know this video is kind of different from what I normally do, but I feel like I should be transparent. Um, I don't want to be like the other financial YouTubers who say I have it all figured out, or want to like try to sell you a course or something. Um, I'm trying to figure it on. I'm trying to figure this out along with you guys, and I just kind of started this channel as like just like I don't know, because it was my passion. I I've been day trading for about 4 years. The past 2 years, I was really focused on doing futures. I took about a 6 month break off, and when I started the channel, that's when I got back into futures. So yeah, hopefully you guys will stick around for the journey. Again, trying to be as transparent as possible. Um, I'll catch you guys in the level video, and I really appreciate you guys sticking towards the end if you watch it this far. So yeah, thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, one last thing. I know this is more of a rant at this point, but I will be releasing my how I trade. Like I will show you the in-depth steps to how I trade. So look forward to that. That'll probably be out within a week or two. I'm kind of lazy. I'm not gonna lie. So all right, enough said. See you guys in the level video. Peace, everyone.